all of you see clearly. Calculate the amount of electric consumption for the month of January by the following loads if 1 unit cost is Rs 2 per unit. First one, 8 fans 80 watt each 8 hour per day. 8 fan is there, it will operate for 8 hours and wattage is 80 watt. Okay, 5 tube lights 40 watts each will work for 6 hours per day. Then 1 heater 1000 watt 1 hour per day. Then 1 2 HP motor 2 hours per day. We will calculate for January month how much energy we will consume, then how much money we will give to the government or to the company. First of all, we know energy consumption E is equals to P into T. We will use this formula. Energy consumption is equal to power into time. You will remember this formula, then we will go ahead. First of all, how much energy consumption by fans per day, गोटे दिन per day, how much energy consumption by fan per day, how much it will be, is equals to, we have the formula P into T. E is equals to E1, you just write P into T. Power is how much power, 80, so you will write 80 into T, 6 hours, how much hour, 8 hours, 8 into 8 fans. If it is 1 fan then it is correct, 80 into 8, but in question 8 fans, so you will multiply 8. So answer is how much, 5120. What will be your unit? 80 watt, this is your watt, this is your 8 hour, so unit will be watt hour. Clear? For E1, energy consumption by the fan, complete. This is your A. Then B, you can write energy consumption by the tube light, energy consumption by the tube light, how much it will be, you can write E2 is equals to 5 tube lights. First P is 40 into T is how much, 6 hours, how many, it is 5, so it is I think 1200, it is I think 1200 1200 WH. Clear or any doubt? Clear? Okay. Then see, 1 heater 1000 watt 1 hour, so we will calculate E3 is equals to how much, P into T. P is 1000 into 1 hour means 1, how many, 1, so it is 1000 watt hour. Clear? Okay. Next D, E4, 2 HP motor 2 hour, 1 2 HP motor. Acha, I have already told 1 HP is 746 watt. Yes, 1 HP is 746 watt. So how much watt? 2 HP. So 2 into 746 into, for 2 hour, this is your power, into time is 2. So how much it is? 2984, 2984, 2984 watt hour. So A, B, C, D, in one day we are using 8 fans, 5 tube lights, 1 heater, 1 2 HP motor. So how much we are consuming? You simply add A, B, C, D, or E1, E2, E3, E4. You simply add. So how much we are using in a day? Now we are consuming energy, or you can say total energy in a day. Just tell me E1 plus E2 plus E3 plus E4. You just add it. Its total is, you can add here, you will find 10304 watt hour. So if you will convert to kilowatt hour, we know that 1 kilowatt is equals to 1000 watt. So you just divide it by 1000. So you will find 10.304 kilowatt hour. So you will find total energy E is equals to 10.304 kilowatt hour. So in a day we are consuming 10.304 kilowatt hour in a day. But question, what is the question? Your question is, you have to calculate for the month of January. So if we found a day 10.304 kilowatt hour for January month, means January month is 31 days. So how much energy we will consume? So it will be 10.304 into 31. How much it is? 319.3. 319.3. You can see it is unit, this much unit, because previously we have discussed 1 kilowatt is 1 unit. So that is your 10.304, that is your kilowatt. So it is 10.304 unit into 31. So you will find 319.3 unit in a January month. In January month we consumed 319.3 unit, this much unit. In our home we have seen, we have consumed 70 units, 80 units, 90 units, but here we have consumed 319.3 unit if we have used 8 fan, 5 tube light, 1 heater, 1 2 HP motor. Clear? Then what is the question? If 1 unit cost is Rs 2 rupees per unit, unit cost, 1 unit cost is 2 rupees, then how much rupees we will give to the company or to the government? So simply multiply 2 into 319.3, it will be 638.6 rupees we will give, if per unit rupees is 2 rupees, then simply we found the unit is 319.3, then you simply multiply into 2, so you will get 638.6. This is your answer. This is a 10 mark question, not a 5 mark question. This is a 10 mark question. This is a 10 mark question, and this calculation is very much essential when you are using in your home. Okay, clear?